Welcome to Smokey CNC Woodworks. I'm Brian, and today we are going to do, just like the title said, a little simple sign. You know, not everything I do is super complicated, and sometimes I've got to do these easy ones too because they're what people want. Well, this one is very important. This one's a honeydew. This is one my wife wants. She wants it above our bed. She saw it somewhere. Like I said, it's not a real complicated one, but if it comes out like the design, it's going to come out looking really cool. And this is just a piece of rustic home decor. Here we go.
It, guys. I thought this came out neat. I'm sure you're confused. I didn't paint the lettering. Well, it comes down to this. I happen to know my wife really likes this rustic look, and as soon as it started cutting these letters and it got in the depth where it darkened them up a little bit, she'd love it. And so I didn't touch it. I went in and asked her first. Now then, we are going to have to figure out a way to darken up the give and the O and the 2 there, because it didn't get into the next layer of the plywood. So we'll figure something on that out and just darken it up a little bit, give it that rustic look. And that's a look that she likes to go for, so who am I to argue? I mean, I actually had these over there in the CNC shop thinking, oh my gosh, I'm going to have to paint all these letters. And y'all know how much I love painting with paintbrushes and those little bitty letters. Oh, it's horrible. So I don't know if you guys caught it. Friday night I put out, or Friday, I put out a second video for last week. And I don't know, I'm going to keep doing it. I had enough people watch it. I mean, I've only had like 300 or so views, but all these aren't going to be CNC on that particular, on the Friday video. A lot of them are going to be about the process of CNC, some of the other stuff I'm doing in the shop, and it just kind of mixes it up a little bit. Because a lot of the CNC stuff I do is repeat. I mean, like the one Friday, I'll just tell you what it was. It was for the breast cancer awareness, but it ended up being a Wahoo board. Well, I've cut a Wahoo board on this channel before. But, I mean, that's just a lot of this is repetitive. So I usually don't show you that kind of stuff simply because I don't figure you want to see the same thing twice. I mean, you saw me do it the first time. Second time's probably going to look pretty close to the same. So guys, that's going to be about it for this week. If y'all hadn't done so yet, run over and check me out on Smokey Uncuffed, YouTube, podcast, and my website. And if you hadn't done so yet, please subscribe here, and I'll see y'all next time.